Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your Ring doorbell isn't detecting motion properly, it could be due to incorrect motion settings or physical obstructions. First, ensure the motion sensitivity is properly adjusted in the Ring app. Navigate to your doorbell settings, select Motion Settings, and adjust the sensitivity or zones as needed. Also, check for anything that might obstruct the doorbell's view, like branches or decorations. Improper installation angle can also affect detection, so consider using a wedge or corner kit to angle your doorbell correctly. Lastly, ensure your device's firmware is up to date for optimal performance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.